A 204 megabyte video was reduced to 22 MB, resolution maintained. 108 MB reduced to 11 MB, resolution maintained to 4.5 MB reduced to 0.3. I changed the resolution a bit here. So the video with 22 MB was reduced to 3.9 MB, resolution the same. 41 MB reduced to 4.6 MB, resolution the same. So welcome back to my assignment YSB. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to use the app Panda to reduce your video. So first things first, launch the app. As you can see, you can compress a video and still maintain the resolution of that video. So the quality is the same, but the size has reduced, and it's one of the meanest we YouTubers and content creators face. After creating a video, we have huge size to deal with. So today I'll be compressing a video of 41 MB with resolution of 1280 by 720. So as you can see here, we have different options. You can go for small size, but to reduce the quality. Medium size, the quality is better, but large size, just compress, the resolution is the same. So I'm going to go for the best quality, which is the same resolution as the initial resolution of the video, yet I'll compress the size without any reduction in quality. So I'll click on large file, just compress, retain the resolution and quality. So this Panda app can help you do this, reduce the size of the video and still maintain the quality of the video. Although you have other options from the custom resolution you have displayed there. And as you can see, the speed of compression is very fast. I'm already up to 25% in a matter of seconds, although it's because the video is quite small, 41 megabytes, so that's quite small, but relatively the app is quite fast. You can get videos of up to 1 gigabyte, 900 megabytes and the likes, and still reduce them and maintain the quality. So this app is very nice because it can help you reduce the video size and maintain the quality, although you can decide to reduce the quality if you want using a custom resolution. Alright, so we are about done with this. Panda is nearly done. So file is fully compressed 100%. As you can see, I saved 36 MB space from an original video of 41 megabytes compressed to 4.6. Wow, this is just incredible. Resolution maintained 1280 by 720, it's still the same. So you have to click on replace. Original video will be overwritten by the compressed video. Yes, I want that. So you can see the resolution has been maintained, nothing different, So this is just an incredible app. Panda is just an incredible app. So you all have to go download Panda if you're a content creator and you want to reduce the size of your videos without a reduction in quality. Just an amazing app. Alright, so I'll leave a link to the app in the description below, although you can go to the Play Store and download Panda, very easy. So let's go through the Panda app a little more, like just see some of the features on the app. Alright, so as you can see, you can buy the premium features. All my videos are clearly shown. It has different folders to find all your videos. You can decide to sort by date, file size, name, anyhow you want to do your sorting. You can see all my folders, so every single video on your device will be clearly shown. There is no hiding of videos or having difficulties finding a video you want to compress. Now, welcome to Panda. You can sign in, obviously using the Google account on your device. You can use the one linked to your YouTube channel or use any other Google account. Anyone is acceptable. So I'll choose YSB assignments because that's the one linked to my YouTube channel. But there's no preference on that though. So login successful. What's the essence of logging in? It will give you all the history of your compression, and you can easily buy the premium features. Now Panda is linked to another app called Photo and Picture Resizer. This helps you to compress the size of a picture and still maintain the quality of that picture, similar to the one of this video. Compress a video of high size, of large size, and maintain the quality. So alright guys, let's find out how much it costs to buy the premium package of Panda. It costs less than $5, as you can see. That's 1,530 naira. That's Nigerian currency, but when converted to dollars, that's about $4 or $5. So very, very small to buy the lifetime access. But please don't get it twisted. You can get Panda for free. I actually use Panda for free. I don't pay for Panda. You can use the free features and compress any video you want. But if you want the paid features, obviously you can get a paid one without ad. And note this very, very important thing: you only get ad on your Panda when you turn on your data. Okay, so if you turn off your data and use Panda and compress your video, you will not get any ads on your Panda. So it's a trick. You can turn off your Panda and compress your videos. Sorry, turn off your data and use Panda to compress your videos, and you still get the same quality and size that you want. Okay, or you can get the lifetime access, pay about $5, get no ads, and get the other premium features. But I don't use a premium feature for now. It's very easy. So thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe.